Hey guys, it's Tony from Tax Resolution Group again. What happens when you owe the IRS money at the end of the year? Many people don't know this, but if you owe the IRS $10,000, let's say in 2021, and you paid them, so you're good. In 2022, you need to prepay that $10,000 before the end of the year on a quarterly basis to avoid an underpayment penalty. And people just don't know this, and they get hit with this penalty, even though their taxes are current from the last year and they paid some taxes this year. You must pay 100% of what you owed in the previous year in the following year, because the IRS assumes you're going to make about the same money and you're going to owe about the same, and they don't want you to run a deficit. So those are where quarterly payments come in. If you don't do that, in the past, the penalties have been small, $20, $30, $40. Now they're going up significantly. You may be faced with thousands of dollars of underreported penalty for not paying in advance the tax that you owed last year in advance for this year. Same with the state of California. And now the state of California, of course, they have to be different. And they don't have quarterly payments, they have 3 payments. 30%, 40%, 30% is the way they'd like their money. And you need to know all of this before the end of the tax year so that you don't have a penalty, even though you don't owe any tax, because you didn't pay enough tax soon enough to the IRS or the state. Again, this is money coming out of your pocket that you can keep simply by being informed. So for those of you that are self-employed and you know you're going to owe the IRS because you owe them every year, I challenge you to look at your tax return year over year, and on page 2, the 1040, right above your name, it's going to say penalty. And if there's a number in there, that's free money that you've given away just because you didn't know about this. So I encourage you to see your tax professional in advance to make sure that you're not going to owe any money for underreporting, and stay on the IRS good side. Statistics are overwhelming that show people that owe money consistently and have penalties consistently get audited consistently. Why not? If I'm the IRS and I'm going to audit somebody, who do I want to audit? The guy who never owes, who pays his quarterlies on time and is squared away? No, because he's showing me he's got it together. I want to audit the people who don't pay on time, who don't have it together, because then I think, well, if you're not doing this, chances are your records aren't that good either. So we want to stay squared away with the IRS to make sure that we give them only their fair share, but we do give it to them in a timely manner. If you guys have any questions, reach out to your tax professional or reach out to myself. We're always here to help. Have a good one.